As we move towards the end of the program, I invite Professor R.S. Mishra, Dean Extension and Outreach Activities, to please present vote of thanks.
वंदे बोधमयं नित्यं गुरुं शंकर रूपिणं यमासतो हि वक्रो चंद्रा सर्वत्र विद्यते पर शिवमयी शक्ति शुद्ध विद्या च ईश्वरी सदा शिव के रूप में महाकाली नमो नमः। ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर श्री मनीष सिसोदिया जी, ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर योगेश सिंह जी, रेस्पेक्टेड सेक्रेटरी जी, रेस्पेक्टेड उदित प्रकाश जी, dignitaries on desk, respected faculty members, dean, directors and principals of school, my dear students, मेरे प्यारे भाइयों बहनों, मेरी भारत माँ के अमर सपूतों, सुप्रभात और गुड नून। First of all, I am pleased to say that today the lab on a wheel has been inaugurated, which is a very ambitious project of the Center for Extension and Field Outreach. I convey my sincere thanks to Honorable Chief Guest Shri Manish Sisodia ji, Deputy Chief Minister and Minister Education, who has spared valuable time for inaugurating our program. I also convey my thanks to guest of honor and Param Sadde, Dr. S.P. Deepak Kumar ji, special guest, and respected Sri Udit Prakash Rai ji, who have been kind enough for our guest on this occasion. I am also thankful to our area MLA for giving valuable time to come for this function. I am also thankful to Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Yogesh Singh ji, who is a mentor of mine and mentor of DTU, who has not only been instrumental in making this dream true, but has worked hard and diligently for making this project success. I convey my sincere thanks to Professor Shamsher ji, Registrar and my dear colleague, for unconditional support and encouragement. During this completing this project, besides above dignities, I am also thankful to directors, deputy directors, and others, officers of Directorate of Education, Directorate of Training and Technical Education, and Higher Education, who have been very supportive from government side to make this project a success. I am also thankful to principals, HOS, and teachers, dear students and others, and other stakeholders, all staff members, faculty members, maintenance unit of DTU, and also other staff for parcels of this success. I also thanks my dear colleague, Professor Amit Kumar Srivastav, without whom contribution we cannot develop such project. He is a very hard working person, diligently. I convey my thanks to all respected committee members who were part of the committee to procure of lab on wheel, staff of computers and staff of accounts department and others. At the end, I am also thankful to all who has participated today functions by their presence. In the end, I am feeling very much thanks to all. Jai Meri Bharat Mata, Jai Hind.